We'll guide you through how to remove watermarks in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and import the video you want to edit. Once your video is loaded, you'll notice the watermark usually appears at the end or can be found in the corner of your video. To remove it, go to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see the watermark as a separate layer. Click on this watermark layer to select it, then simply hit the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard to remove it. If the watermark is embedded in the video itself, you can use a cropping tool to trim the edges of your video where the watermark appears. To do this, click on the video layer, then look for the crop option in the toolbar. Adjust the crop handles to exclude the watermark, and apply the changes. Keep in mind that cropping might alter the aspect ratio of your video, so make sure to preview it to ensure it still looks good. If cropping is not ideal, another method is to use the blur tool. Select the watermark area, then apply a blur effect to it. This won't remove the watermark but can make it less noticeable. Finally, once you're satisfied with the edits, go to the export settings. Make sure to preview your video to confirm the watermark is gone or sufficiently covered. Export your video in your desired format and resolution, and you're all set. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.